Well, I've been walking now for at least 3 kilometers and I haven't seen another living soul. Where is everybody on a Wednesday? Well, hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm out at my local river, just a few hundred meters from where I live. So haven't been here in a long time. Just out for a walk, try to get my steps in for today. At least I'm doing something. But now you can see, still beautiful weather. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's around 20 degrees outside, and I don't have much to talk about today. It's soon summer holiday in 2.5 weeks. Then I have 4 weeks off. Nothing to do for 4 weeks except work in my garden, fix my driveway, and maybe do some fun things for the children. Well, I think that's everything I have to say today, or maybe not. I'm going to walk a lot more. Maybe I will find something interesting to say. Maybe you can hear all the birds. There's a lot of birds down here, and a lot of bugs down here too. But there used to be a family of swans here, but I haven't seen them in a long while. Well, time to walk some more. See you in a bit, or in a few. Wouldn't it be really cool to see a deer, or some moose, or some other wildlife? I don't think this path has been used for a very long time. It's been overgrown. There's absolutely no sign of other humans down here. Well, you never know what you'll see. Well, this place is starting to be very overgrown. It's very difficult to walk here now. The thing I'm walking on now is actually an island in the middle of the river. It's a couple of kilometers long, and they're building a new road over there. So they said that the new path for walking is this road here. So they say they build a new bridge over there so we can get back to the mainland. But I'm really not sure about that. Now I can just hear animals walking around. I really think there are some moose or deer here, because I can hear them. Or it could be some crazy people in the bushes. I don't know. Well, try to walk through this to find the bridge. Wish me luck. Well, I think I know why the path I was on was overgrown, because there is 2 paths here. This is a new path I'm walking on now, and you can see it's a lot better than the other path I was taking. You're seeing it coming here. Zoom there. And this one was the path on the other side of the island. Now we will try to walk this way. Okay. Hopefully I'm not full of ticks. That would really suck if I was full of ticks. You never know in this terrain. Probably I have 10 on me or something. I should take a shower when I get home to check. Well, see you later. Well, I'm at the end of the island now, and I really don't think there's a bridge here. There's absolutely nothing. I can't get over. Let me go see. You can see now. See, somebody had campfire here. Why in God's name would they have a campfire here? Let me see. Where is the bridge? There is no bridge to the mainland. What am I gonna do? Well, I will be walking back. It's the only choice I have, but now I will be taking the other path. The other path to the same place I came from. Oh, train. Maybe you can hear it. Does the train has a bridge? I ain't got no bridge. What am I gonna do? At least it's a nice view. And maybe you can see some salmon. I highly doubt it, but there's salmon in this river. This river goes far, far inland, and it's a good salmon river. Whoa, here's birds. Come over here, please. Nope, very far away. Okay. No bridge today. But at least I found a quiet place I can go film, because there is absolutely no people here. If I find people here, I'm going to be worried there are some homeless people living out here, not having, yeah. You can see the river in here too. I was really hoping there was a bridge here. Oh, duck. Let's see if I can catch them over here. My God, ducks. I know it's not very cool, but at least it's some kind of animal life. Well, saw something, but that's it. Just me. God, I really think I'm seeing things. Seeing things in the forest. But hopefully I'm going to make something more interesting next time. Try to get back home. Maybe I will do some more filming on the way. I have to stop looking at myself in that stupid camera. Try to look at the lens instead. Bye again. I think I found the bridge. I really think I found the bridge. Let's go see if I can find that stupid bridge. It was in the middle of the island, not where I thought it would be. That's kind of cool. At least now I can walk somewhere else. Maybe not so overgrown path. Well, at least I can make a video about something. About walking fast in this overgrown crappy place full of ticks. Okay, I'll be back when I find the bridge. Well, I found it. It's not actually a bridge, it's actually a plank. Let me see if I can film it for you guys. Here it is. This was the path I was supposed to take. I was in there on the other side of the island, walking all the way to the tip of the island, and came back on this path. Now you can see this is a small bridge. It's maximum of 3 people. It's kind of cool. Oh my god, it's really shaking. You see? That's cool. It's really cool. Here you can see the island from a small path in there. Go to this side. This side is where I came from. And that's the island. Well, try to cross it. Oh my god. Really cool. Yeah, I understand why it's only a few people on it at the same time. At least they built a bridge when they were building the road up there. Yeah. Well, do some more walking and I will come back to you guys. Or whoever is watching this video. Whoa. It's shaking. You can see it here. Kinda cool. Well, I'll be back. As you can see on this side, it's actually a path where you can walk. It's really nice to walk here any time of the year. Now they're building a small road up there where you can drive your bike and lights, but it's not the same as walking in nature. You can't see the river from up there either. That's small view. I remember I used to walk here in pitch black in winter time with just a headlamp. That was kind of cool. Did that a couple of times and I got motivated to lose weight again. But now I'm back on that same horse. Well, back. See you soon. Well, now it's time to do some hill walking up here. I know there's some deer family living up here because I've seen them many times, but maybe it's too early or too late, I don't know. We'll see. Bye bye. Well, I've been walking now for at least 3 kilometers and I haven't seen another living soul. Where is everybody on a Wednesday? I don't know. But it's start getting dark here in the forest. You see the green canopy everywhere. Well, I'm like 5 minutes from home. Well, I have to wrap this video up here. Well, hope I'll see you again shortly or soon.